Adam likes to listen to the music using his smartphone, so he clicks on the music player on his smartphone. He just plays the song on the available playlist. Suppose there are 5 songs in the playlist. After playing the song 1 and song 2 will be played, then song 3 will be played until song 5 will be played. Although Adam likes to repeat the song too, but he can't. He has to wait until the song in the playlist finish and replay the playlist. So this is how the circular linked list is implied, and its short definition is that it is a type of a linked list in which the first and the last nodes are also connected to each other to form a circle. And for another example, the music will continue to play until Adam turns it off.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD Danish and my matrix number is 17DDT211063, and today I would like to present situation 2. So let's take a look on situation 2. Ahmad wants to use Google search engine, so he typed www.google.com on the browser. Then he used the browser to visit another website, www.sidos.edu.my. Then he clicked on YouTube link that directs to the www.youtube.com platform to watch the video that given by the lecturer under data structure course. After finishing watching the video, he clicked on the back button and redirects back to Sidos platform. If Ahmad click on the back button from Sidos platform, it will redirect to www.google.com search engine as well. So, based on the situation, we can implement the circular doubly linked list concept, because in the circular doubly linked list, each node is contained address that will point to the next and the previous node. Same goes for Ahmad's situation when he typed www.google.com on the browser and later use the browser to visit another website, which is www.sidos.edu.my. From the Sidos platform, Ahmad click a YouTube link that will be directs him to www.youtube.com. After watching the video from YouTube, Ahmad click back from the YouTube platform and redirect him back to the Sidos platform. Then later, when he click back button from Sidos platform, it will redirect back to www.google.com search engine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Zainor bin Zainor. My matrix number is 17DDT21F1067. My class is DDT2A. Right now, I will explain about situation 3. Okay, first, Anik want to deposit money for his mother, so he went to the XYZ bank. He entered the bank and went straight to the ticket machine to print number for his turn. When he pressed the button, he get ticket number 2020. Number that on the service currently is 2015. So, he has to wait for 5 people to be served before his turn. He took seat at waiting area and wait to be served. Okay, dalam situasi nombor 3 ini, saya akan menggunakan solusi queue with linked list implementation, kerana situasi ketiga ini menggunakan konsep first in first out, di mana siapa yang sampai dahulu dia akan dilayan dahulu. So yang pertama sekali kita akan create table yang ada head dan kita enqueue 2015, kita enqueue 2016, kita enqueue 2017, kita enqueue 2018 dan kita enqueue 2019, dan juga tail kita akan letak di belakang 2019. Okay, firstly kita akan enqueue 2020, di mana nombor Anik sekarang ni ialah 2020 sebab dia dah nombor yang paling last sekali. So kita letak 2020 di belakang, di node belakang sekali, dan tail kita akan move daripada 2019 ke 2020. Next ialah kita akan DQ first node, which is 2015, dan head kita akan point to the second node, which is 2016. Okay, yang ketiga pula kita akan delete, kita akan DQ the second node which is 2016, dan kita akan point head dia ke to the third node which is 2017. Okay, untuk step keempat kita akan DQ node yang ketiga which is 2017, dan head kita akan point to the fourth node which is 2018. Untuk step kelima, kita akan delete atau DQ fourth node which is 2018, dan kemudian kita head point will point to the fifth node which is 2019. Dan step keenam iaitu last kali, kita akan delete fifth node which is 2019, dan head dan tail will point to the last node which is 2020. That's all for me. Thank you. I will pass my presentation to next my friend.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afif ZULKARNAIN. My matrix number is 17DDT 21F11012. Today I want to talk about situation 4. Situation 4 is Smart Technology SDN PhD is an IT company that run the business on software development. The company president, Mr. Afif, wanted to reorganize their organization due to new employment for year 2022. Mr. Ahmad is still remain as a vice president, Miss Eileen as a secretary, Miss Monica as a manager of finance department. For the Mr. Haziq is a manager for the research department, and Mr. Lim as a manager for development department. Every department have one supervisor and two staff under supervision except for development department. He then recruited two new staff for development department, which are Mr. Saiful and Miss Anis, to be supervised by Mr. Henry. If you can see in this diagram, we put on top President Mr. Afif. For the second one, we make a secretary Miss Eileen. For the third one, we make Vice President Mr. Amar. Okay, there are three different department, which is finance department, research department, and development department. So for the manager, three of them is Miss Monica in finance department, Mr. Haziq in research department, and development department is Mr. Lim. So they all have a supervisor, each of them. For the supervisor in development department has Mr. Henry. So all of them have two staff, such as finance department has two staff and research department has two staff. But in development department has two staff also, but for the staff one name is Mr. Saiful. For the staff two, Miss Anis. Imagery Smart Technology SDN PhD, which is an IT company that run business on software development. The company president is Mr. Afif on the top. The below Mr. Afif is the company vice president is Mr. Amar, and the secretary is Miss Ellen. So under the company contains three departments, which is a finance department with Miss Monica as the manager, research department with Mr. Haziq as the manager, and development department with Mr. Lim as the manager. Okay, for every department have a supervisor. For finance department and research department having a two staff under the supervisor. Mr. Lim from development department later recruited two new staff, which is Mr. Saiful and Miss Anis. They will be supervised by their supervisor, Mr. Henry. Thank you. That's all about my presentation for the situation 4. I will pass to my other presenter. Thank you.
Alright, my name is Angelo Anak Laki Govindasamy and my metric number is 17DDT21F1030 and I'm going to explain about the situation 5. The record of the employee needed to be sorted in ascending order. The sorting method that I'll be using is merge sort, but any type of sort can be used such as selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort or quick sort. As you can see, this is the way the list has been sorted using merge sort. After sorting, the searching is needed to search an employee number 050. I'll be using linear search to search the element key which is number 050, but you can use other method for searching which is binary search. By using the linear search method, the key element will be compared one by one for each element in the list until the element key are matched with the element that contains in the list.